Alright guys, good morning. We are leaving Morristown on a getaway. Going to be leaving Morristown, flying over to Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, to pick up my brother. And then we are headed down to the beach. So we're heading down to Fairhope, Alabama. It's on the coast of Mobile Bay. So we're looking forward to that. I didn't get started as early as I hoped to this morning because I just had trouble waking up and getting last minute stuff together and whatnot. Okay. Morristown traffic, Cessna 18 Golf, taxiing 23 Morristown. Alrighty. Okay. Everything's working. Well, it's about a 500-mile flight. A little under. That's statute miles. It should take us right around five hours to get down there. Morristown traffic, Cessna 18 Golf, taking off runway 23 for south departure of Morristown. Alright, guys. Our first stop after we pick up my brother is we're going to be flying down to West Georgia Regional. It's on the west side of the Atlanta Bravo. And they have MoGas there, real friendly service, some good folks. I've been in there a number of times. And here's the Gatlinburg Airport. I'm sure he's here. We're definitely pushing some headwind already going this direction, so it's good we leave early. Gatlinburg traffic, Cessna 18 Golf's making a tight-based final. 28 full stop, Gatlinburg. And we gotta go down to the other end. I just come in fast. And we are down.
I got a crick in my neck.
And we're back. We have the brother on board, and I got videos rolling.
Oh.
Off we go to hopefully West Georgia Regional, but I was already pushing a 20-mile-an-hour headwind coming over here.
I thought it was a little bit more of a weight than I was used to whenever you tell me you're taxiing out.
That's definitely slowing me down. I was barely getting up to 80 mile an hour. Gatlinburg traffic. Cessna 150 taking off runway 28 south Gatlinburg. Look at the fog off the prop.
Yeah, that's cool.
Little tail heavy.
He seems to be quite happy with the load, because you got a pretty good time, right?
All things considered.
Not like some of those times with Dale where I remember you barely get off the ground.
And along the edge of the Smokies here, just barely staying out of the Class Charlie. Gotta stay below 3,500. But we should be pretty good. We'll be out of here shortly. A pretty morning. Hopefully the weather stays at bay until we get out of Tennessee. Weather's supposed to be pretty good down south.
Caution, terrain.
I don't like that I'm up this close to the mountains.
Terrain.
But it's pretty. Do a carb-ice check. I only do these when I've got someplace I can easily put down, like this highway. I like the way the fog here is spilling through the gap. You can see the wind blowing through. It's like...
Allegiant pilots are based in the Knoxville airport.
Alright, well, here, going along the edge of the Smokies, we're about to come up over the Little Tennessee River. Should be in this gorge right up here. This is our new guide to Scenic City. He's doing trips in these reservoirs for lake trout, brown trout, rainbow trout, perch, walleye. He's doing really good too.
Does it have pickerel?
I don't know if it does or not. I'll have to ask him. Now we're sort of climbing, sort of. We're getting close to exiting Tennessee here. Going into South Carolina for just a moment, and then into Georgia. I think that's so cool. The clouds are almost like a little fluffy blanket. We got about 10 extra mile an hour on our ground speed, so that's a good thing. Alright, we are in Georgia. This thing keeps wanting to take me right over. Maybe that thing won't. Maybe we'll slide around that thing. It looks like it's falling apart. It was starting to look, storm up there was starting to look organized for a second. Now it kind of looks like it's, not got it together.
Estimated position 300 miles west of Port Moresby. Mayday! Mayday! Ejecting out.
Hopefully we don't do that. We're passing under a growing thunderstorm here. We're just barely under this thing, aren't we?
Kind of cool looking.
Just missed a bird too. Looks like I may have to drop altitude a little bit. I think that's a cloud base right there. We'll see here. We're watching Robinson Crusoe. And West Georgia traffic, Cessna 18 Golf is 10 miles to the north. We're 150 inbound to land, West Georgia.
Georgia traffic, Mark 49, 182, 5 miles out, straight in ILS 35, West Georgia.
It's not landing, because I forgot to turn it back on. But we made it to West Georgia Regional, so gonna fuel up now. Woo!
And West Georgia, Cessna 18 Golf, going to be taking off runway 17 straight out, West Georgia. Got a fly in here.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. Stupid thing.
Well, we had to fill up with 100 low lead because their mow gas pump wasn't working. So I always add TCP to the 100 just for the lead purposes of the lead. Well, we got 269 miles to go. Air Force Base. We're going, I don't know, this is east of Montgomery. I don't know what this, I guess this is Montgomery proper, isn't it? Going across Montgomery proper. We'll see how that
Flight check 86, Montgomery departure radar contact.
does, but I got a feeling it's still shaking out there.
Yeah,
Probably.
although it'll probably stand a lot less chance of shaking up too bad on a smooth day like this.
I thought you were going to have more
Fewer vibrations going through the plane.
I think it went off. Well, here we are. We are 38 miles. Coming up on a little cumulus puffy ball cloud field. I think that means we are getting close to our destination. And aren't they cute? It's still been a really smooth flight, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, even in the clouds, we're not really seeing much, feeling much. I think it'd get a little rougher as we...
It might when we get up here around them. There's a reason they're right here, so...
And gets fun.
Yeah. We got some little cumulus clouds we're messing around with here. Callahan, traffic Cessna 1 calls on the left downwind 01, Callahan.
Oh, there's a bunch of seagulls everywhere.
Yeah, I was just seeing that. Oh, they got oodle of them.
I guess they're seagulls. I don't know what else they be. They're all white.
Callahan, traffic Cessna 150, final 01 full stop, Callahan. See any flocks of birds? Look at that tower right in front of us.
Yeah, that's that big one I was seeing earlier.
Hey, you can come down now.
No! Ziggy's like, I haven't smelled salt water in a while.
A little bit of a crosswind in there. We just need gas though for a minute.